Mecca, Medina, and Jerusalem are cities of great importance. They are central to the Islamic faith. Millions of people visit them every year. These cities hold deep historical and religious significance. Mecca is the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad. Medina is where he built the first mosque. Jerusalem is where he ascended to heaven. These cities have witnessed key events in Islamic history. They are home to sacred sites. They continue to inspire and unite Muslims worldwide. Their stories are intertwined with faith and devotion. Mecca in Saudi Arabia is the holiest city in Islam. It is the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad. Muslims face Mecca during their 5 daily prayers. Mecca was an important trading center before Islam. The Kaaba, a cube-shaped structure, is located in Mecca. Muslims believe Abraham built the Kaaba. The city holds deep religious significance. Every year, millions of Muslims perform Hajj. Hajj is a pilgrimage to Mecca. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Medina, also in Saudi Arabia, is the second holiest city in Islam. The Prophet Muhammad migrated to Medina in 622 AD. This event marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. Medina welcomed the Prophet and his followers. The first mosque was built in Medina. The Prophet's mosque is located in Medina. It houses the Prophet Muhammad's tomb. Medina became the center of the early Muslim community. It played a crucial role in the development of Islam. Muslims visit Medina to pay their respects to the Prophet. Jerusalem is a city sacred to 3 religions: Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. In Islam, Jerusalem is the 3rd holiest city. Muslims believe the Prophet Muhammad journeyed to Jerusalem from Mecca. This journey is known as the night journey. From Jerusalem, Muslims believe the Prophet ascended to heaven. This event is known as the Miraj. The Dome of the Rock, a significant Islamic shrine, is located in Jerusalem. Jerusalem's rich history and religious significance make it a place of great importance for Muslims. The city represents a connection between heaven and earth. It symbolizes the unity of God. Section 5. The Kaaba, a house of God. The Kaaba is a cube-shaped building located in the center of the Grand Mosque in Mecca. It is the holiest site in Islam. Muslims believe Abraham and his son Ismail built the Kaaba. The Kaaba is a symbol of God's oneness. Muslims circumambulate the Kaaba during Hajj. They walk around it 7 times in a counterclockwise direction. The black stone is embedded in the eastern corner of the Kaaba. Muslims believe the black stone came from heaven. Touching the black stone is a significant act of devotion. Section 6. The Prophet's Mosque, a place of peace. The Prophet's Mosque is in Medina. It was the first mosque built by the Prophet Muhammad. The mosque has been expanded over the centuries. It can accommodate a large number of worshippers. The Prophet's tomb is located inside the mosque. Millions of Muslims visit the mosque every year. They come to pray and pay their respects to the Prophet. The Prophet's Mosque is a place of peace and tranquility. It is a reminder of the Prophet's teachings of compassion and mercy. Section 7. The Dome of the Rock, a symbol of faith. The Dome of the Rock is a magnificent shrine in Jerusalem. It is one of the oldest examples of Islamic architecture. The dome is built on a sacred rock. Muslims believe the Prophet Muhammad ascended to heaven from this rock. The Dome of the Rock is a symbol of faith and divine revelation. It is a place of great significance for Muslims. They visit the Dome of the Rock to connect with their faith. They reflect on the Prophet's journey. Section 8. The Power of Shared History. Mecca, Medina, and Jerusalem share a rich history. They are connected by the story of Islam. Each city played a crucial role in the early development of the faith. These cities have witnessed key events in Islamic history. They have been places of learning, worship, and pilgrimage for centuries. Their stories are intertwined. The shared history of these cities unites Muslims worldwide. It reminds them of their common faith and shared heritage. These cities continue to inspire and guide Muslims today. Section 9. The Enduring Legacy. Mecca, Medina, and Jerusalem hold a special place in the hearts of Muslims. They are timeless symbols of faith. These cities are powerful reminders of the Prophet Muhammad's life and teachings. Millions of Muslims visit these cities every year. They come to perform Hajj, pray, and learn about their faith. The legacy of these cities extends beyond their physical boundaries. They inspire Muslims to live lives of faith and devotion. These cities remind us of the power of religion to unite people across cultures and generations.